Hello friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today we're making slow cooked beef short ribs. This is such a hearty, delicious meal. It has amazing flavors. It's absolutely delicious. Let's get started. We're going to start by seasoning our beef short ribs with some salt and black pepper. Next, we're going to sear them, so drizzle some olive oil into a pan over medium-high heat. Add the meat, making sure you do not overcrowd your pan. Cook the meat for 3 minutes on each side. We want them to turn golden brown, just like this. Searing the meat is going to add so much flavor to the beef stew. Take the meat out of the pan and set aside for later. Next, we're going to saute some diced onion in the same pan. Once the onion gets flavorful, add some minced garlic, ginger, and red pepper flakes. Mix everything together and let it cook for about 30 seconds. Then we're going to add some baby carrots and mushrooms. Season with salt and black pepper, then cook the veggies for about 3 minutes to get flavorful. Then add some flour. Mix everything together, then add some chicken broth or beef broth. Mix everything together very well. Then we're going to add some soy sauce. We're also going to add some Hoisin sauce. Next, we're adding some rice wine vinegar, some sesame oil, and brown sugar. Mix everything together very well. Then we're going to add the seared beef short ribs. We're going to let the meat cook in the sauce for 2 hours on low heat. So as soon as the sauce comes to a simmer, place the lid on and let it slow cook. After 2 hours, the short ribs will be done cooking. This will make your home smell so good. You can serve the short ribs over some mashed potatoes. You can also enjoy it as soup with some toasted French bread on the side. The short ribs are full of the bone, tender and delicious. If you guys would like to make this recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.